It is now confirmed that Honda's Joe Shimoda will be racing the West Coast. Now, obviously, this has kind of been known for a while since the whole Chance Hymas having surgery and racing the East thing. But whatever, it's still news. It's still relevant, and we actually, we're filling out the racing. We're filling out who's going to be going where. I mean, obviously, this puts him against Deegan, Mosman, Cole Davies, the rumored PC riders of Levi Kitchen and Cameron McAdoo, people like Jordan Smith on the Triumph, Jalik Swall. It's going to be a pretty good West Coast. It sounds like at least in my mind, it does. And we're just going to see how this kind of falls. Obviously, this will be was it year 2 on the Honda for him after moving over from Kawasaki, and hopefully he looks a little more comfortable. Uh, he had, he had the Chase Sexton front end washes last year. It didn't look like he was super comfortable, super fast on that bike or whatever it was. I don't know. It just didn't seem like it fit him all that well at the moment, but obviously that's first year stuff. Second year, you get the bike a little bit more how you want it, get a little more accustomed to the team and everybody you're working around. And hopefully, knock on wood, knock, 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 he is going to be more competitive this year. I'd like to see, a West Coast where it's not just given to one person. Like, obviously, Deegan is going to be the favorite. Let's be honest about that. Or he's going to be what people think is he's going to be the one everyone thinks is going to win. Let's put it that way. Obviously, there are some guys like Kitchen and McAdoo who should give him a run, and obviously Shimoda being young, competitive, fast when he was on Kawasaki, uh, he should be a competitor too. At least podiums and running in the top 5 pretty consistently. But we're just gonna have to see how this all the chips fall. But this is where I leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Who do you think is going to win A1, either the 450s or the 250s? Are you excited for this season? I think we're only, like 10, 12 days or something like that from this now. I personally am because the no racing gap is really boring. But whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.